are so many law universities in India, and so as there are so many law entrance examinations happening in the country. And today in this video, we are going to discuss about one such examination. So hello, first of all, I welcome you all to the Law Prep. So hello, I welcome you all first of all to the Law Prep Tutorial YouTube channel, and today in this video we are going to discuss about one examination which is called as PUCET, the Punjab University Common Entrance Test, which is for law. And in this one particular video we are going to discuss everything about this examination, from eligibility criteria to syllabus, from the examination tips, everything that you need to do for acing this one particular examination. So all you have to do is you have to stay tuned till the end of the video to see whether you are eligible to appear for this examination and what extra things that you need to do for clearing this examination in one go, right? So let's first understand what this examination actually is, right? The Punjab University Common Entrance Test is being conducted for admission into 3-year LLB and 5-year integrated courses. तो आप सबसे पहले ये चीज डिफरेंस समझ लो that if you are somebody who has already cleared your graduation, दैट मीन्स आपने 12th के बाद अगर 3 साल की ग्रेजुएशन कर ली है तो आप 3-year LLB के लिए अपियर करोगे, एंड इफ यू आर समबडी जिसने अभी सिर्फ 12th क्लियर की है तो आप जाओगे फॉर 5-year integrated program, right? Punjab University offers 2 courses in 5-year integrated program, mainly BLLB and BCom LLB. BLLB और BCom LLB 5-year integrated programs प्रोवाइड करता है पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी, और आपको LLB ऑनर्स प्रोवाइड करता है फॉर 3-year LLB कोर्स. The PUCET law notification 2026 has already been released. You can check out the details on their official website to know that what and when the examination is happening, right? Candidates are assessed in subjects like English language, mental ability, legal aptitude, GK, current affairs, same like CLAT के जैसा बिल्कुल सेम सिलेबस है. आपको बस जो आप क्लैट के लिए पढ़ते हो वही आपको पढ़ना है. सेक्शन वेटेज और डेट्स थोड़ी डिफर करती हैं, वो अभी हम डिस्कस करेंगे फर्दर इन द वीडियो, राइट? दिस एग्जाम इज हेल्ड इन चंडीगढ़, होशियारपुर एंड लुधियाना. ये 3 जगह पे आपका एग्जामिनेशन होता है. दैट मीन्स दिस इज एन ऑफलाइन एग्जामिनेशन, राइट? Candidates who qualify for the entrance examination must complete the online admission form and attend the offline counseling. Candidates must pay the PUCET Law 2026 application form fees to complete registration. Additional late fees will be charged if they cannot submit the PUCET Law application form within a prescribed time and format. Same like other entrance examinations also, कि आपको एक registration fees proper pay करनी पड़ती है, वो भी discuss करेंगे कि कितनी fees है. But अगर आप stipulated time में और prescribed manner में अपने form को fill out नहीं करते हो, then आपको, अगर आप late हो जाते हो फॉर्म सबमिट करने के लिए, तो आपको फॉर्म सबमिशन की एक एक्स्ट्रा फीस भी पे करनी पड़ती है, विच इज कॉल्ड एज द लेट फीस, राइट? नाउ लेट्स सी the PUCET exam dates schedule. Very very important. I have created 2 columns here, and which one is for 3-year LLB dates and one is for the 5-year LLB dates, right? अभी आपकी किसी भी तरीके की कोई डेट्स अनाउंस नहीं हुई है, सिर्फ 5-year LLB की डेट अनाउंस हो गई है, जो आपका एग्जाम होने वाला है 26 April 2026 को, right? The registration date is to be announced. The last date for online registration is yet to be announced. Last date for fee payment is yet to be announced. Admit card release date is yet to be announced. आपका सिर्फ PUCET 5-year law का entrance examination कब होने वाला है? वो होने वाला है 26 April 2026 को. सिर्फ यही डेट अभी तक अनाउंस हुई है. Rest all the dates are to be announced. जब ये डेट्स आ जाएंगी, we will officially tell you on Law Prep Tutorial YouTube चैनल. तो सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना. अभी आपको सिर्फ इतना ध्यान रखना है कि जो 5-year law candidates हैं, उनकी जो एग्जामिनेशन डेट है वो है 26 April, right? Now let's see the exam pattern. Exam pattern is PUCET law exam conducting by the Punjab University. Exam time state level entrance examination है. पेन और पेपर बेस्ड पेपर है आपका, ऑफलाइन पेपर होता है, ऑनलाइन एग्जामिनेशन नहीं है. एग्जाम ड्यूरेशन इज 90 मिनट्स, राइट? 1.5 आवर का आपका ये पेपर होता है. 90 मिनट्स का दिस इज द पेपर. This paper comes in 3 languages. This is the benefit of this one particular examination. English, Hindi and Punjabi में आपका ये एग्जाम आता है, and total questions are 100. So that means on an average you are not even getting 1 single minute to complete the whole question, क्योंकि यहाँ पर आपको 100 questions complete करने हैं in 90 minutes, right? Now Let's see the marking scheme. Marking scheme is +1 for correct answer and 0.25 for incorrect answer. तो negative marking है इस examination में. As and when you're very sure about the answer, then only mark the answer. Otherwise, you will lose out your 0.25 marks, right? For 5-year LLB, what all are the sections? General knowledge, current affairs, aptitude for law, mental ability and English language. Same as CLAT, जो same CLAT का syllabus है, वही आपका 5-year LLB का PUCT के लिए syllabus है. But for 3-year LLB, current affairs and general knowledge, legal aptitude, reasoning ability and English proficiency, इन्होंने भी same syllabus रखा है for 3-year LLB, but math sections को cumulate करके उन्होंने 4 sections में convert कर दिया है. Eligibility for 5-year LLB is 10+2 with at least 50% marks. In case of SC, ST, OBC, PWD, 45% मार्क्स. अगर आप जनरल कैटेगरी से तो आपके 12th में 50% मिनिमम होना चाहिए, और अगर आप SC, ST, PWD कैटेगरी से हो then you must have 45% marks for 5-year LLB entrance examination. For 3-year LLB entrance examination आपकी बैचलर्स मास्टर्स डिग्री होनी चाहिए with at least 45% marks, and in case of SC, ST, PWD कैटेगरी आपके 40% marks होने चाहिए. Application fee for general candidate is 2,000. For SC, ST, OBC and EWS categories, ₹1,000, right? These are the certain help desk number that are provided to you कि अगर आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आती है तो आप इस पर्टिकुलर हेल्प डेस्क नंबर पे कॉल कर सकते हो to know the details which are available from 9:30 AM to 4:30 PM, right? Email ID for contact uglaw@pu.ac.in. आप इस email ID पे उनको मेल भी कर सकते हो if you have any queries related to the examination or if you feel that you have done any discrepancy in your application form, right? The official website is uglaw.puchd.ac.in, right? Now, moving ahead with the eligibility criteria for the examination, as I already told you कि 5-year integrated के लिए आपको 10+2 with at least 50% marks and 45% marks in case of SC, ST and PWD category. As such, there is no upper age limit to apply for this PU LLB लॉ एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन. तो अगर आप किसी भी एज के कैंडिडेट हो, अगर आपकी 12th क्लियर्ड है तो कोई अपर एज लिमिट नहीं है, आप इस एग्जामिनेशन को 100% टारगेट कर सकते हो. फॉर द 3-year LLB प्रोग्राम, एज आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू कि आपके पास बैचलर्स डिग्री होनी चाहिए विद 45% मार्क्स इफ यू आर फ्रॉम जनरल कैटेगरी एंड 40% मार्क्स इफ यू आर फ्रॉम SC, ST और PWD कैटेगरी, राइट? नाउ to move ahead with the sections and the weightage, right? The PUCT 3-year LLB paper contains 100 questions and these are the weightage. General knowledge and current affairs 30, legal aptitude 40, reasoning ability and knowledge of English 30. So that is how within 3 sections in 3-year LLB program I'm telling you that your 100 marks are divided, right? Now if we look for the syllabus of this one particular examination, legal aptitude again constitution, polity, contracts, torts, CRPC. Current affairs again जो आप CLAT में 1 year के current affairs पढ़ते हो, those same current affairs you have to study for this examination as well. General knowledge, that means the static GK that you have to study, basic GK जो आपको पता होनी चाहिए. For English, grammar, vocabulary, synonyms, antonyms, idiom, phrases, sentence correction, fill in the blanks, comprehension based questions are asked. Reasoning, puzzles, sets, number series, logical patterns, blood relations, that means more on the analytical side and less on the critical side is something that you have to appear and prepare for this one particular examination, right? Now seat matrix for this one particular examination. Punjab University Chandigarh, which is the main campus, there are 240 seats available. Then Punjab University Ludhiana 60 seats and Punjab University Hoshiarpur 60 seats. So there are a total of 360 seats that are available for this one particular university if you want to target. There are 3 main campuses, Punjab University Chandigarh, Punjab University Ludhiana and Hoshiarpur, right? The maximum seats are available in Punjab University Chandigarh. There are 4 law colleges affiliated with Punjab University that take admissions through PUCT Law 2026 3-year LLB. There are 480 seats in total. ठीक है, अगर आपको affiliated colleges अगर पता करने हैं जहाँ पर 3-year LLB के लिए seats available हैं तो वो ये 4 colleges हैं, Punjab University Chandigarh again, then Punjab University Ludhiana, Hoshiarpur and Muktasar, right? Chandigarh में there are 300 seats, there are 60 seats for other 3 campuses. This distribution is for 3-year LLB, and the previous distribution was for 5-year LLB, where only 3 campuses provide you 5-year LLB program, right? Now, if you want somebody who wants to prepare for this one particular examination, then Law Prep Tutorial is offering you dedicated batches for OLET examination, in which you just not prepare for CLAT or ALET, you prepare for all the law entrance examinations happening in the country. All you have to do is visit our website, Law Prep Tutorial's website, and you can find all the details there. And you can definitely find one-stop solution for all your resources if you want to prepare for law entrance examinations happening, right? Now, the admit card and hall card details, the candidates will only be allowed to appear in the entrance examination when they produce their admit card at the test center. The admit card will be issued to the candidate on a provisional basis only on his or sole risk and responsibility, right? तो जब आपका application forms आ जाएंगे, जब आप उनको fill out कर दोगे, if you are somebody who meets the eligibility and is selected for giving the examination, then only you will be giving the admit card of this one particular examination, same like the other entrance examinations also, right? And that is where you have understood all the details about the PUCET examination. Now, how and when the details will come out related to the dates of this examination, we will officially tell you on our Law Prep Tutorial YouTube channel. Till then, do not forget to subscribe to the website and to the Until then, do not forget to subscribe to the Law Prep Tutorial YouTube channel, and do visit our website if you are preparing for this one particular examination. The one-stop solution for all the resources is there. Till then, all the best for your preparation, and I'll see you in the next one.